Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to whip up a delicious salted duck egg and shrimp tofu stew. Let's dive right in. First, let's prep those succulent shrimps. Peel them and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Give them a sprinkle of ground pepper for some extra flavor. Now, let's talk green onions. We're going to finely chop them, making sure to separate the white and green parts. Grab that salted duck egg and peel it like a pro. Then take a spoon and give it a good mash. Our tofu is time for a chop into neat little cubes. Get a pot of water bubbling and give the tofu a quick dip. Once they are all warmed up, fish them out. Now, in a pan, let's melt some lard. Toss in the chopped white part of the green onions and let them sizzle on a low flame. Swiftly stir in that creamy salted duck egg yolk. Pour in some piping hot water and season the pot with a pinch of salt and some chicken powder. Grab that cornstarch and mix it with water until it's smooth, then drizzle it into the pan. Time for the grand finale. Add the shrimp and tofu, followed by a beaten egg. Mix it all together and let the magic happen. Just before serving, give it a little flourish with a handful of chopped green onion. Voila! Your salted duck egg and shrimp tofu stew is ready to be savored. Give this recipe a shot and tell me how it turns out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.